Prosopagnosia, or face blindness, is a cognitive disorder that impairs an individual's ability to recognize faces. It can be acquired due to brain damage or be congenital, present from birth. People with prosopagnosia struggle to recognize faces, even those of close family members or their own reflection. They often rely on alternative cues like hairstyles, clothing, or voices. This condition can lead to social challenges, causing embarrassment, anxiety, and social withdrawal. The severity varies. Some may only struggle with unfamiliar faces, while others might not recognize any faces at all. Acquired prosopagnosia can result from brain injuries, strokes, or neurodegenerative diseases affecting the right fusiform gyrus. Developmental prosopagnosia is present from birth, with genetic factors believed to play a role, though the exact cause is not well understood. Diagnosis involves tests assessing facial recognition abilities. While there's no cure, coping strategies include using contextual clues and focusing on distinctive features. Support from friends, family, and professionals can help mitigate social and emotional impacts. Ongoing research aims to better understand prosopagnosia and develop potential interventions. Increased awareness can help reduce the stigma and social challenges faced by those affected.